cannot use your inside foot, outside foot.
Correct.
So that is actually encouraging them to
use a different part of the body,
different part of the foot. So instead of telling them, okay, everybody use the sole of the foot. To a boy, when do I use the sole of the foot? When do I use inside? When do I use outside? There's no function to it. But if I give them a tennis ball, they would naturally use the sole because it's easier for them to control, right?
Yeah.
And then if you use, so when you mention about change of equipment, it brings back to the principle of functional variability. So there is variability in their practice. Yeah. So and that could be for the beginners as well, right? So they can also practice with a tennis ball, even though it might be harder, but you might suddenly see them using a different part of their foot to do it. Yeah. So the intent is slightly different this time around. It's not to simplify the task, but to expose them to more movement pattern.
Okay, maybe you want to think about from a non-linear perspective, right? How would you give instructions and feedback? Right now that you thought about, you kind of have the concept already, right? How do you design some of your activities? You do have the idea. What kind of language would we use for instructions and feedback if you're using a non-linear approach? Do you have any